In this video, I'll show you how you can contact support in League of Legends. Now, if you head over to leagueoflegends.com and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there'll be a little button called support. Now, if you press on this, you'll come to the support page of the Riot games. And from in here, you can see some things that you can just press on if any of these are about your issue. Or what you can do is you can come down and choose the specific game. So in this case, let's choose League of Legends. Now, once you're in here, there is more you can just choose from and see if it fits in your category, or if there's none here, let's say it's something that's not listed here, you can come down and you can submit a ticket. Now, basically submitting a ticket is you're gonna contact Riot directly and you can choose which one you want. And let's see here. Okay, I need to log in. But then once you've logged in, you'll fill in the blanks, and then they'll send you an email once they have a response for you. Just keep in mind, sometimes it can take a long time for them to answer on your ticket. I've tried waiting 3 weeks, so if it's something you need in a hurry, it's better to just look somewhere else. You can go back and look if they already have done it, or you can search on Reddit or something else. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.